going to talk about?
We're going to talk about our film opening project we were doing in our cmdiploma.
Okay, well, what are you doing?
My idea, well, you know the 4 briefs we got given?
Yep.
I'm doing the comic book adaptation.
Cool.
And mine is about someone who comes from the afterlife because he's bored, and he wants to defend the world and fight evil.
Cool.
And my intro is basically a series of tracking shots of the location where he pops out from the ground, and then after the tracking shots you see his hand pop out, and then the title comes up, and then there's a short sequence when 2 teenagers fight him.
Cool.
That's pretty much my idea for the opening. It's about 2 minutes 20.
It's not bad.
What about your idea?
Well, I'm doing a sort of dark, mysterious, same brief, a sort of dark, mysterious detective, sort of like, although not quite comic book, but a graphic novel. So it's like, I don't know, it's like dark, mysterious, you know, nobody knows quite what's going on in his past, and you know, like that. There's lots of different cool transitions between shots. I'm only going to introduce 3 of the characters, although there will be more in the whole film. And let's cover different car shots. Not very long, but long enough.
What would you compare it to?
Sort of a cross between Sin City and the number 23.
Oh, okay. So, very stylised and dark from the Sin City.
Yeah.
But kind of, you lose trail of what's going on, and gothic, kind of.
Yeah, pretty much. It's very dark and sort of, not sepia, but sort of a darker version of sepia. So.
Okay. Mine's kind of a mixture between Hellboy, because the lead character, he's pretty much a zombie. Zombies are usually bad, aren't they?
Yeah.
Hellboy's Satan, really.
Yeah.
He's a good character, so it's kind of a mixture between the character being bad, but he's actually portrayed as being good. And my imagery is going to be pretty dark, but it's going to look really kind of not too detailed. Kind of like what Tim Burton does in his older films, like Edward Scissorhands and Batman Returns. Very silhouetted, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's my idea. So we're using the same brief.
Yeah. Brief one.
Let's hope it goes well.
Nice.